Hey lovelies, it's Tracy. I have recently used three different synthetic makeup brushes from Anisa, and one of the most interesting brushes in the trio that I tried is this particular powder brush. It is flat on one side, which is absolutely crazy, and completely curved on the other. I don't use this as a traditional powder brush because I only use a very small amount of setting powder. But what I do use is I use the brush like a powder puff throughout the day when my makeup starts to break up, and instead of using a blotting paper. So what I do with this particular brush is I keep it on my desk in the early afternoon. I go through and sweep this across my face. It seems to blend all of the little breakthrough oil that I have with my foundation without leaving streaks, without adding extra powder, no need for a blotting tissue, which can sometimes take off product. And so I found that really useful. As far as using the flat side of it, I have not figured out how to make that work for any of my needs. But if you try it, let me know what you think and I'll give it a shot. But again, this is Anisa. This is their multi powder brush, and I think it's a winner. Synthetic, vegan, and easy to clean.